Hey guys, this is Red and Blue. I'm coming to you. I'm honestly fuming, absolutely fuming. I'm sure you will have seen the news by now and you've seen the thumbnail. Dembele picked up an injury with the French national team in the most freaking obvious turn of event. The player just picked up a knock against Toulouse in the last game before joining the French national team. He trained separately for the better part of the week. Only had one training session with a group yesterday before the game, and yet seriously, what the hell is wrong with Didier Deschamps? How can you get the players to come on the pitch at the 45th minute? And yes, then in the most absolutely predictable turn of event, he gets injured at the 78th. And thank you very much. Now it looks like he's going to be out for a few weeks, his best case, potentially a couple of months. He's picked up an injury to the thigh. It looks like the muscle of the thigh, either elongated or hopefully elongated or even tore a little. We'll know more in the coming days where he's gonna go through some exams and MRI and so on. And I'm sorry, but there's so many things wrong with all of this. You can hear I'm absolutely furious, furious. First and foremost, the player comes to the French team injured. Typically what happens, and you can compare with what the Spanish team did with Fabian Ruiz, a player comes to you injured, you let him go back to his team and rest and get better with his team. For some reason, apparently Didier Deschamps and his staff know better than everyone, and they keep the player even if he trains separately for literally the better part of the week. Essentially, the French team thing, it's only lasting until what, Tuesday or Wednesday next week. So essentially, for half of the times that they had him, the players train separately because he's injured. He's injured, and we're not talking about Mbappe or Tchouaméni or I don't know, whoever, Upamecano, the physical machines that we have in the French team. We're talking about Dembele. Who in world football does not know that Dembele can be a very fragile player, that he's had his trouble with injuries, that is prone to these sort of things? Are we gonna sit here and say that the French national team staff doesn't know about that? What kind of idiots are they? Seriously, what kind of idiots are they? So they keep him within the squad. He trains separately. Like I said, he only goes back to train with the team yesterday, the day before the game. And now they decide at the 45th minute, when you know what happens, another PSG player, Desiré Doué, has to come off injured. They already injured one of our player, and they think at this point the best decision is, let's get the other PSG guy who's just came back, he's coming back from an injury and is fragile. We'll put him on the pitch for 45 minutes when we are already ahead against Ukraine team and dominating them. Why don't you put in another player? Put in Ekitike, put in Thuram, put in one of the other 12 options that you have. How does that make any sense? Oh yeah, we already injured one PSG player. Let's go for another. Thank you very much, Deschamps. What a great decision making. What an amazing coach to beat a team that we're already beating, because it's so critical. And so yeah, he comes on at the 45th minute and 78th minute gets injured and has to come off. Congratulations. And now what we're hearing is the staff of the French national team and Deschamps comes out after the game in his interview and goes, oh yeah, but he was actually back in fitness because otherwise we wouldn't have taken the risk. And in any case, the injury is to the other side than the one that he had a problem with in Toulouse. Yes, because those guys are Formula Ones. And so if they have a little discomfort to the left thigh, what happens is that they're going to compensate and lean more on the other side and have more of an injury risk on the other side as a result. It's a well-established fact. It's well known. It's not rocket science. Oh no, he's back in full fitness. Otherwise, I wouldn't have taken the risk. Yeah, seriously, he's back in. Does he look back in full fitness now? A guy who's only had one training session with the team and who was spent most of his week injured. how is that even possible? Like, seriously, how is that even possible? Like, pay his freaking salary. You know, you're not paying him. PSG is paying him. And like, that's the last piece of the puzzle and the one that, you know, takes it to another level. Apparently, like, the PSG staff had told the French national team staff, don't be silly with the players, don't play him, he's injured, he's tired from the long season that he's had, don't make a mistake with him, let him chill. And no, because everyone, like Didier Deschamps and his staff, know better than everyone. They know better than the staff who works with the player day in, day out for 320 days out of the 365 of the year. The staff that actually kept him injury-free throughout last season in one of the best period of football of his life, took him to the highest level, took him to hopefully a Ballon d'Or in a few weeks. No, Didier Deschamps and his staff, they know better than everyone. Forget the fact that, you know, last French national team games that we had, who got injured? Dembele. Like, are you kidding me? Are you really kidding me at this point? How incompetent can you be? Like, seriously, how incompetent can you be? And how, like, is this a joke? Like, are you doing it on purpose at this point? Because everyone can see it coming from a mile away. And I'm sorry, but yeah, I'll compare with other team. Spanish team, like Fabian Ruiz had a knock. He was actually like not as bad up as Usman. They send him back. They go like, no, like, you know, rest up for the next couple of weeks. It's not critical. Nothing comes before the health of the players. This is the most important thing there is. So you go back with PSG, you can rest, you can recuperate, you can sort out your injury, and we'll see you in October or November, like whenever the next national team is. And, you know, don't tell me Fabian Ruiz isn't a critical player for the Spanish team. He's like their top midfielder. He's like arguably more important to the Spanish team than Dembele is to the French team. So, yeah, just take a hint. Take a hint, honestly. And yeah, at the same time, not only is Dembele injured, Doué picked up a knock and Barcola picked up a knock. So now, like, out of the 5 players that we sent to the French team, the 3 who actually saw the pitch and touched the pitch, because Chevalier and Lucas Hernandez didn't play, the 3 who did picked up knocks and are facing some kind of injuries. Nowhere near as bad as Dembele, obviously. I think Doué, like, there was a video of him leaving the stadium, like, limping a little bit, but he didn't have clutches, he didn't have, like, any visible straps around his leg or anything like that. So I'm very hopeful it's more of a knock. Hopefully he misses the next game. Because, like, literally, if he gets played against Iceland on Tuesday or Wednesday, like, whenever that game is, it's a joke. It's a joke. Like, enough. We need our players, and like we need the French team to keep, like, to stop doing whatever the hell they want with players, and, like, you know, not managing them in the best possible way. I'm sorry, but and it's not like, it's another annoying part. It's not like this is the last game and we absolutely must win to qualify for the World Cup. It's the first game away from home against, like, probably the second best team in our group. So great that we're winning, because it's like puts us in a huge advantage to qualify already. But honestly, if we had lost this game, it was absolutely like zero impact to our chances to qualify to the World Cup. Zero impact. And when Dembele comes on board, we're already leading 1-0. We dominated the first half and had plenty of chances. The Ukrainian team hasn't produced anything at that point. And so there's absolutely no reason to take a risk. There's absolutely no reason. Yes, like, get Dembele on the pitch if it's the last game and you absolutely need to score a goal to qualify for the World Cup or something like this. At this point, I understand there's actually, like, you know, a football reason for getting him on the pitch. Right now, there's nothing at all. So we're just getting, like, a player injured for nothing at all. And, like, you know, look at the PSG calendar. We're starting the Champions League next week in less than in 10 days now against Atalanta. Player definitely won't be back for that. And then we've got Barca in Barcelona in 3 weeks. And honestly, at this point, I'd be very, very surprised if Dembele is back for that. We've got Marseille right after. We've got Lens next week. Like, we have a full calendar. And I think it's absolutely ridiculous that, like, the French team is taking risks with inconsiderate risk with our player for no reason at all. when like they've been told that there's a risk. They know that there's a risk. Everyone in the world football knows that there's a risk, and yet, yeah, exactly what everyone could see happening happened. Well done. Congratulations to them. I can't wait for Deschamps to be out. Like, this guy is just like dangerous at this point. Honestly, like dangerous. I really hope like he doesn't sleep tonight. Like, you play with the physical health of the player. That's not okay. That's not okay. I don't care about the results. I don't care about anything. You play with the health of the player. You've got blood on your hands right now. Seriously. So anyway, like I said, like the player is injured. We'll know more about like the exact injury and how long he's gonna be out. But you know, considering what happened after the final of the Champions League in June and how long he was out during the Club World Cup, honestly, I'm expecting like at least a month, if not two, somewhere like between a month and two of injuries. So yeah, like we'll probably see Dembele, you know, back in beginning November. That's what we're talking about. So thank you, Didier Deschamps, for a job really well done. What an amazing, you know, his job is manager. What amazing management. Really skillful, top level. Bravo. So we'll see Dembele back in a few weeks, at least like I think a month. We'll see the French team back next week, hopefully to not injure more of our PSG player. And yeah, in the meantime, like France won 2-0, but honestly, like I really could not give a F at this point. Ousmane Dembele was injured, and that's all that matters to me. Anyway, let me know if you watched the game. What did you think? What do you think of the injury? Is it like literally the most foreseeable turn of events that you've ever seen in world football? And yeah, like please, I don't even want likes for this video because I'm so annoyed. But yeah, please like the video, the rant, if not like the turn of event. And yeah, as always, like drop a comment, subscribe to the video, to the channel, like the video, hit the bell, do all of the things. And more than ever, like French team is out. Ici c'est Paris.